We've got this thing called a tropical storm heading our way over the next day or two. Should have 40 to 50 mile an hour winds, and that is just enough to throw those cushions out into the yard. So I came down today and I'm going to move those inside as well as these chairs just in case. We've had in the past that table, that heavy polywood table, has actually moved about 4 feet. So I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm going to bring these inside well ahead of the storm, and it should be okay. The ones with arms won't stack up. So those are going to go right there. All right. Now, bring in the cushions. Now bring in the cushions and the loungers. All right, now, downstairs. Go downstairs now. One thing that will definitely get thrown out in the yard are empty trash cans. So those need to be moved or tied down or something. But I happen to have a boxed in shower right over here, which is perfect for storing trash cans during a storm. And this is what I do. I just roll them in there. Should be fine. Now for the grill, it's fine like it is. I have it bungee corded to the house, so it never moves. I've seen it happen before. A big gust of wind at 40, 50, 60 miles an hour will pick up that for sale sign and hurl it. So I'm going to bring it in, put it in the garage. It'll be better. You watch. I can guarantee that it won't be picked up and thrown around the yard if it's in the garage. I will guarantee that it won't end up out in the bay because I'm putting it in here and locking it up. All right, I've been here for a couple hours getting everything ready for the high wind, but yet the IRS says any revenue from a second home or any additional rental properties, it's passive. You don't have to do anything.